Welcome to Prince Shortened House, trial passage, legal dictation, 440 words, 80 words a minute. Be ready? Start. The Supreme Court, while considering the aforesaid clauses, was concerned with the issue as to whether there is any binding arbitration clause. The Supreme Court, referring to a judgment of Rajasthan High Court in the case of B. Gopal Das versus Kota Straw Board, AIR 1971, held that the words may be referred used in clause 5, read with clause 4, concludes that clause 5 is not a firm or mandatory arbitration clause as it postulates a fresh agreement between the parties that they will execute to go to arbitration. Full stop. The judgment is distinguishable on facts. Full stop. So far as the judgment of the coordinate bench of this court in Panchsheel constructions as referred to by learned counsel is concerned, the court was concerned with the following stipulations in the agreement therein: that in case of any difference of opinion between the first party or owner and second party or builder in regard to the interpretation or scope of this agreement of any part thereof, they should try to solve the problem to any arbitrator. The other clause in a collaboration agreement therein read as under: that this transaction has taken place at New Delhi, and as such Delhi courts shall have exclusive jurisdiction to entertain any dispute arising out or in any way touching or concerning this deed. Full stop. This court in Panchsheel constructions, by referring to the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Wellington Associates Limited, has held that the said judgment squarely applies to the facts inasmuch as the usage of the words try to solve does not give a binding effect to the purported arbitration agreement between the parties. The court also distinguished the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Everest One Elevator Guide Rail Manufacturing Company Limited, on which reliance was placed by the petitioner therein. Full stop. Insofar as the judgment in the case of Quick Heal Technologies Limited, as relied upon by learned counsel, is concerned, the Bombay High Court was concerned with the dispute resolution clause, which read as: all disputes under this agreement shall be amicably discussed for resolution by the designated personnel of each party, and if such disputes cannot be resolved within 30 days, the same may be referred to arbitration as stated below. Full stop. Disputes under this agreement shall be referred to arbitration as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 as amended from time to time, full stop. The place of arbitration shall be at Pune and language shall be English, full stop. The arbitral tribunal shall comprise one arbitrator mutually appointed, failing which 3 arbitrators, one appointed by each of the parties and the third appointed by the 2 so appointed arbitrators. Stop. Thank you.